In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit permissions on your Trello board. 5 minutes. Managing permissions in Trello keeps your workflows organized and your information secure. Let's walk through how to control who can comment, who has admin access, and how to adjust or remove member access, all from within your board. First, sign into Trello and head to the board where you want to make changes. Once the board is open, look for the three-dot icon, often labeled More Actions, near the top of the board. Click that, then open Settings. This is where you'll find the controls that affect how people interact with your board. Start with commenting permissions. Here, you can decide exactly who is allowed to add comments on cards. Choose the option that fits your needs, such as limiting comments to board members or admins. If you need a stricter setup, you can disable comments entirely so that no one can post new comments. On the other end of the spectrum, if your board is public and designed for open feedback, you can allow any Trello user to comment. For most teams, keeping comments to members only strikes a good balance between collaboration and control. Next, let's look at member permissions. At the top of your board, you'll see member avatars. These represent the people who currently have access. Click an avatar to open that member's profile for this board and choose Change Permissions. From the drop-down next to their name, you can promote them to admin if you want them to have full control. Admins can change settings, manage members, and update board configuration, so grant this thoughtfully. If someone no longer needs access, use the same dropdown and choose Remove from Board. This immediately removes their access while preserving the board's content and activity history. It's a clean way to offboard collaborators without disrupting work already done. If your workspace is on a paid plan, you also have the option to set a member as an observer. Observers have read-only access, which is perfect for stakeholders who need visibility but shouldn't move cards or make edits. It's a great way to keep everyone informed without risking unintended changes. That's it. Log in, open your board, go to settings, adjust who can comment, and fine-tune member access by changing roles, removing users, or assigning observer status where available. Review these settings periodically to keep your board secure and your team productive.